Who cares if they're on fucking Dimmy now? Who gives a shit? Because we're fucking killing Fractilus right now, right here.
Congrats, insert fully team.
We had the macro for that shit. Let's go. Let's do this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Safe spot diamond.
On your birthday. Back to it then. Do it, lady.
Balls.
Yeah, crunch some numbers. Back to it then. Do it, lady. On your birthday. Back to it then. Do it, lady. Back to it then. Do it, lady.
Wolves and owls.
Crazy day, right? Crazy day, right? Yeah, crunch some numbers. I guess. Do it, lady. Back to it then. Very good.
We're gonna have break and spread.
Back to it then. Yeah, crunch some numbers.
Breaks and then spread.
Very good.
Festivals now.
Back to it. Got it. 6 inch.
Res battles quick. Wolves. Cool. Set of walls. And we're going to be moving to green after these ones.
Safe spot
Green.
triangle.
And breaks. Breaks and spread. Get to your break spots. Go ready for personals. Personals now. Spreads. Back to our safe spot. Walls go. Quick. Get there. Quick. Get there. Quick. Walls go. Quick, quick, quick. No delay, just getting there straight away. Nice. And then breaks and spread. Breaks. Go. Get ready for personals. Personals now. Okay, why do we got chunked? Spreads. Back to our safe spot. Walls go. Quick.
Oh, not me.
Tank wall.
Some lag.
I think we should be okay still.
I'm all good.
Wall.
I'm all good now.
Oh. Then breaks and spread.
Moon.
Breaks go, get ready for personals.
5, 4, 3, 2,
And personals.
1.
And spreads. And walls go, quick, get there, quick, get there, quick. Our safe is still green. Tank wall, carrot. Just don't cross if you can't. Cakes, watch it. 3 kills on yourself, Cakes. And just watch Cakes hard here. And breaks go, breaks in the spreads. Get ready for personals. Now. Spreads. We can have a res with 3 healing for now, it's fine. Walls go, quick. Keep locking in, guys. We actually could get hit by that. See if you can live, guys. Pop big defensives. Walls go, get to your spots. And breaks go.
5, 4, 3,
And personals.
2, 1.
Green is our safe spot. Walls go, get there quick.
Safe spot.
We're gonna res on a healer in 13 seconds. Move safe
Diamond.
spot. Safe spot diamond. Safe spot diamond. Walls go.
2%.
One.
Walls go,
Dead.
walls go, walls go, walls go.
Fucking dead.
Kill him.
Hello!
Right.
Well,
What the
well
fuck is
done,
that
everyone!
What the hell? I was top of the DPS. Who would not log wall over to me? What the hell happened there? No, no.
Lethal, where are you? Lethal. No.
Someone's.
5 out of 8 in one night. How good is that?
Oh man, send me your POVs.
Demon Hunter Prog 2.